Aloha everybody, of course here we are in San Diego. We got the cruise coming up tomorrow, so we're just spending the afternoon here. This is pretty cool. Just kind of walking around here at by the Midway Museum. Kind of wish we actually got here earlier. Would have gone on up and taken a look at the Midway. And of course the infamous Embracing Peace statue. It is very nice. Oh, you got some jet skiers in the harbor. You didn't realize you could just go through over here. That is an amazing ship. Piece of history. There she is. Well, the Wonder is repositioned and it is ready for us for tomorrow morning. So let's just skip on to tomorrow morning just like this. And just like that, good morning, Disney Wonder. Oh, I'm definitely ready for this. Hey, there's another ship over there. Where'd you come from? It looks like we got the news waiting for us down there, covering today's launch, I guess, relaunch. We are staying at the Wyndham San Diego Bayside, and we got us some really good rooms here, right in front of the Wonder. We just lucked out, let's just be honest. Highly recommend if you're going on a cruise. I mean, this is pretty much one of the best locations you can get. That is the crosswalk right there to go across the street. So we are going to go, leaving from here, just going to walk out and cross the street right there. Onboard time is 11:30, so hopefully we can get on by 12:30, 1 o'clock. Really depends how long that testing process is going to take. So we will see. Here we go. Here we go, round two. We'll be discussing this, definitely. Okay, so we're finally in the terminal. So let's talk about what just happened. So from the time we did our check-in, we had a port arrival time that would not show up on our port arrival form. So essentially I chose 11:30, and I chose 11:30 actually multiple times. I went through the whole check-in portion and chose 11:30 multiple times, but it would never show up on the port arrival form. I called Disney Cruise Line at least 5 times, spoke to 5 different cast members. All of them told me the same thing, that all I would need to do is show up at my chosen time. When they scan the QR code, it would be okay, even though it won't show up on my port arrival form. Well, we got here today, and that wasn't the case. They told us that we never chose a port arrival time, that we would be scheduled for a very late port arrival time, and we needed to come back. So what was supposed to have been an 11:45 port arrival time, it was now a 1:30 port arrival time. Needless to say, I was not happy with that. I called their customer service again, talked to them. They said, oh, they don't know why we were given that message. That actually shouldn't have been the case. They should have just told me to choose another time. As you might guess, my head kind of exploded at that point. Like, I had probably wasted about at least 12 hours on the phone waiting for them to talk to 5 different cast members at different times, and got the same message the entire time. Today was the first time I was told, oh, that wasn't the case, I should have chosen a different time. So, yeah, that wasn't cool. Well, we're finally here. It's 1:30 port arrival time. We did all of our COVID testing, so we are now just waiting for those results. They said they're running at about 45 minutes, so hopefully the time is now 1:55. We took the test about maybe 5-10 minutes ago, so let's just say 5 minutes ago. We should be on board by 2:35, somewhere on there. I need to keep checking the app, my email, and this little screen on this side, way down there. That's showing the results per reservation. So yeah, not exactly a fun start to the day, but we're on a Disney cruise. I'm going to talk to customer service once we get on board, guest services when we get on board, see what happens from there. Yeah, not a good start to the day, but hopefully it's getting better. Oh, we're finally going. We're on the gangplank. We're getting ready.
Disney Wonder, please on board.
The De Los Santos and Tokimasa.
The De Los Santos and Tokimasa family.
Woo! Hello.
Disney Wonder, please on board the Snow
All right. So we gotta stand on these little circles here. And of course, Mickey and Minnie are here to greet us.
Disney Wonder, please welcome.
All right, we are heading for our modified muster drill. We just gotta find our station, which I see way down at the end. Which is fine because we can go into those elevators to get to our staterooms. Yeah, all right. Yep, everything's here. Oh, and we've been pixie dusted. Look at that.
Look, we got something. Wow.
Awesome. Okay, so here's our room. Don't mind the luggage. Start off with the bathrooms. You got the split bath, toilet on one side, and the shower on the other. It's a decent sized shower, to be honest. It's not bad. Yeah, we got the good stuff. Oh yeah, H2O, that's what I'm talking about. We got a closet That's where the safe is. Ladder for the bunk bed, and another side with just the hang stuff. Big bed. A lot of room underneath. Got our TV going. And of course, the balcony. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, first meal of the day, we got in too late for the buffet. Just something else for me to holler at Disney about. But fish sandwich, can't go wrong. Kiddo's got a hot dog over there. He's happy. He's enjoying life. How's your food, Flynn? All right. Got a nice view at least right now. And we are definitely headed out, turning around now. Oh, I'm in the shade. All right. Okay, first dinner of the cruise. We are in Animator's Palette, one of my personal favorites.
Hello everyone. I bring some water for you, okay?
As the night goes on, the colors will change. So I'll get back to that in a little bit. All right, starting off dinner with our bread service. We're already digging in. It's a roasted garlic dip. It's a roasted garlic dip to go along with it. It's pretty good. Here's the drink for myself tonight. The Blueberry-licious. It looks amazing. It's got tequila, so it's about right for a Mexico cruise, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, got my bacon cheddar potato soup.
Cheers.
Oh, and a beef tenderloin to start it off.
Fresh pepper, sir?
Oh yeah.
Ice cream?
Oh yeah, cookies and cream sundae. Oh, the show is starting. Watch it. Well, as expected, that was a really good dinner. Whew, I'm definitely full. Gonna head on over to do some shopping. Well, we are definitely doing some damage in the store tonight. Yeah. I'll be doing another tour of the store later on, showing the merch. There's some good stuff. Hopefully there's still some stuff left over later on. Now we're in line for White Caps. It's a little longer line than it was for main sale. This is all the more expensive stuff. Go figure. Came into the room, got ourselves a little pal on the bed here. They also set up the bed for my son to sleep on. That's pretty awesome. See if he actually stays in the bed. That's a different story all on its own. We also opened up our veranda because we do have our my in-laws with us. So now we got a big giant balcony. Oh yeah. It's dark out there. I have no idea where we're at. Just saying. I may have done a lot to decorate here, but our doors are done. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. Sorry this day didn't work out the way we really wanted it to. I really wanted to have some videos posted before I left the port, But unfortunately, things didn't work out that way. Really wanted to go live from the ship too, but obviously that didn't happen either. But hey, we're on board. Let's do some adventuring. Let's do some searching, some exploring on this ship. Find some new things for everybody. It's late. I'm gonna call it a night. Let's make it a better tomorrow. Until next time, peace.